This is where dreams are born, million miles away, but it still feels like home in the land of heroes.
Hey, awesome creators. Welcome back to our editing playground. Today, we're diving into the world of AI magic for your social media photos. Step 1. Jazz up your phone. Install the Bing app, sign up, and let the fun begin. Step 2. Head to the image generator, the heart of the action. Step 3. Unleash your creativity. Type in a killer prompt. Check out the video for inspo. Step 4. Customize like a pro. Swap out the app name and username, then hit that generate button. Step 5. Patience is a virtue. Give it a few spins, then pick your favorite. Those 3 dots, hit download, you're in control. Step 6. Quality matters. Skip the long press download trick. Follow our method for crystal clear images. Step 7. Mic drop. Your masterpiece is ready. Let's feast our eyes on more AI wonders. Here is the prompt. You can take a screenshot of this. Thanks for watching.